Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be memory planning the week of June 13th to the 19th and using the Cel-Liberation kit from Paper Trail Plans, which is a kit I helped collaborate and design and create. What I'm showing you here is that I first started working on this kit in my A5 wide planner, and this was back in June, and at the peak of when summer was really starting to get very, very busy for me. And this was at the time when I started to realize how much difficulty I was having keeping up with my A5 wide planner. And now I'm showing you that I have switched over to my B6 planner, which these two spreads that I've shown here, I've posted Plan With Me videos for both of those. This spread that I'm going to do in this video was the third spread that I had created in my B6 planner. And by the time I got to the third one, I really started to feel like I had the hang of this. I knew what I wanted this planner to look like. I was very happy with the format I was creating and what I'd been able to do for myself, because coming from the larger A5 wide planner, there were certain things that I was really enjoying this year. And mostly that was putting down the base of my planner. That was where I was finding I was having the opportunity to be my most creative, do original things, and I was really enjoying putting down the base of my spread, which consisted of the bottom washi, the date covers, and the sidebar. I didn't want to let go of any of those things when moving into a B6 size planner, and so I found a way to make this format work for me in a 2-page layout where I could keep those elements. And so going into this spread, I've put down my bottom washi. I used the journaling deco sheet, which had the transparent matte long floral washi trim in the I keep calling this the date cover area. I don't actually put my date covers there anymore, but I think I'm going to keep on calling that the date cover area anyways. So I put the florals in that date cover area, and then I added a foiled floral trim from the Pretty Pink coat on top of it, and I love that combination. When the sun catches that, it just looks incredible, and you just get this bright pop of gold foil. It's stunning. And now I'm just picking out the full boxes that I want to use. What I've learned in switching to a B6 is that I'm going to use about 3 to 4 full boxes per spread. And this one, because I decided not to use a full box in the sidebar, I wanted to use more of a deco thing going on in my sidebar. I only ended up using 3 of the full boxes, which was also fine because I had already started this spread in my A5 wide planner, so I'd used a couple of the full boxes already, so it was just like, okay, let's pick a couple more. But definitely, if you're the type of person who likes to spread one kit amongst like multiple spreads, you could definitely get 2 spreads using an A5 wide kit with a B6 planner, which is really awesome. So moving into my sidebar, I started by placing the fashion doll that came on the add-on journaling sheet, layered with some of the other clip art elements, and then moved up to the month section where I used the Gathered Layers collab from Gathered Plans and Panda Bird Design, layered under one of the scallop circles from the kit, and then the June script, also from Paper Trail Plans. Most of my scripts are from Paper Trail Plans these days. I absolutely love their scripts. And then I added one of the quotes, also from the kit add-on. We did a lot of add-ons for this kit. We had like the quote add-ons, we had the clip art add-ons, the floral deco add-ons, the journaling add-ons. This was like a super well-developed kit. It was amazing. There was just so many parts to it. And now moving into the day by day, now that I've got my sidebar done, this was a jam-packed week for me. We started off Monday with my birthday, which is on the 13th, and then when was it? And then Sunday is both Juneteenth and Father's Day. So there's a lot happening this week. So starting off by putting down the Monday script. And I love these scripts from Paper Trail Plans because they really give you a lot of freedom and options to play around with how you decide to do like your date covers and all of that, because you just have the script. And so it really gives you a lot of freedom with placement and how you layer things around them, which I decided, of course, to add some butterfly deco to this one, which tons of butterflies throughout this entire spread. One of the things that Paper Trail Plans, Susie and Jess and I have in common is our love of butterflies. And so as we were working on designing this kit, we knew immediately butterflies were going to be a part of the kit. And then we started thinking about the different clip art images and what we wanted. And I have a full video going over how we decided to create and design and my thought process in wanting to celebrate the history and honor everything that that happened on Juneteenth and what went into creating this kit and the design for it. So it was something that I put a lot of thought and a lot of love into. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to link it so that you can check that out. But on to Monday, I marked that it was my birthday, and then I picked up some tickets for Universal because the following weekend was going to be my niece and nephew. Their birthday is always literally, it's like 7 days behind mine. So it's always like celebrate my birthday, and then I know we've got to celebrate the kids the following weekend. And they were turning 10 this year, and we were going to Universal Studios. So I picked up tickets for me and Brandon because we were going to Universal Studios the next weekend. And then I split this column into two, and so underneath that first part, I've placed down the Tuesday header, added some of the floral deco, another butterfly, and then I had two baby showers that happened in the month of June. And so I think this one, I think this was for my cousin. They were both my cousins. Two of my cousins were having babies, but the theme for this shower, that her sister, my older cousin, had picked out was like peach and mint green. It was beautiful, but I was trying to figure out like, what the heck am I going to wear to this shower? I don't have a peach dress. And so I was like shopping and trying to find a dress to wear to this shower. I did not end up finding a dress, by the way. Couldn't find a dress in peach that I liked that worked, and ended up picking out a pink dress that I already had in my closet. Loved it, felt great, it was fine. And finished off Tuesday just like reading and relaxing. So I've been downloading books from, I subscribe to the Kindle Unlimited, and it's just been really enjoyable to just like chill and read lately. Moving on to Wednesday, started by creating my own little date cover for Wednesday with the cute little horseshoe clip art. So adorable. I love the Western theme for this kit. And then used the laptop icon from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark that I was working from home, which is rare on a Wednesday. My typical work from home days are Thursday and Friday, which is why I decided to mark that on Wednesday, because that was out of the ordinary, but extra awesome. I love working from home. I really do. If I could be completely remote, I would be so happy. And then I marked that I got some Happy Mail from Sadies Stickers. And on to Thursday. I love what I did here for the date cover for Thursday. I used that dress clip art because I really wanted to incorporate that in. And so I ended up slicing that dress in half because it was a really large piece of clip art and I needed it a little bit smaller, but I love the way that came out, and I love the look of that. Added that dangle deco from Sadies Stickers along the bottom of it to just give it a finished line. The date dots, by the way, are also from Sadies Stickers from a $2 Tuesday. And then looks like we went to the gym and I walked, or I don't know if we went to the gym. We probably went to the track. There's a community college that's actually pretty close to our house. And they have like a public track around their like soccer field or track field, and you can just like go there and walk, and a lot of people go there in the mornings and they'll walk around the track, which is really nice. We went out and walked a mile, and that was a great way to start the day. And then I had ordered some shoes from Amazon. Again, I was trying to figure out what I was going to wear to this baby shower. And oh my God, those shoes were hideous. You ever ordered some shoes or ordered something off of Amazon and you're like, this is going to be so great. It's so going to be so cute. And then you get it and you're just like, good God, that was hideous. Nope. And you'll see in just a sec, because I'm going to mark on Friday that I absolutely went to Kohl's and took those ugly shoes back immediately. It was just such an immediate fail. But yep, got those shoes on Thursday. And then on to Friday, I got up, made breakfast for me and B. Oh, that's sweet. I do not always get a chance to, actually, obviously, like most days, on weekdays, that's just not an option. And that's the really cool thing about being able to work from home. Like you have like more time in the morning, because the time that you would spend driving to work, you can allocate that time to just do other things around the house, which is really awesome. And then after work, went to Kohl's, returned those ugly shoes. Oh, they were hideous. I had high hopes. They let me down. I used one of the thin strips from the kit along with some of the florals to create my little header for Saturday. And Saturday, so this was like a couple of days after my birthday, because my birthday was Monday, and B had gotten me a really cute like new purse for my birthday gift. And then I get in my car on Saturday, and there's a sunglasses case that like matches my purse that was sitting in there, because he had gotten me like a purse and wallet, and purse with the matching wallet on Monday, and I love it. It's like one of my favorite purses. And then I got in my car and found the matching sunglasses, and I was just like, you are full of surprises. He is so sweet and romantic sometimes. And that was just like the best little surprise for me on Saturday. And I got in the car, of course, because I was driving over to my cousin's house for her baby shower. So, and it was like the weekend before that baby shower was co-ed, and then this baby shower was girls only, so I went without B. So there was a lot of baby showers happening in this month. And then we get to Sunday, and I am just marking that it was Juneteenth, which celebrates when the final state that still had slaves in 1865, which was Texas. They finally liberated those slaves. And so those were the last slaves to be liberated, which came like a year after the Emancipation Proclamation. And so a big thing to celebrate among the African American community, because it was truly our liberation day for all of the Black Americans. And then, of course, I marked that it was also Father's Day. And I called my dad because he was still in the South at this time. And this was like just a couple weeks before my parents were on their way out to California for a summer visit, which I will talk about in an upcoming plan with me. So thank you all so much for watching this. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.